In this video, we'll set up Tailwind CSS version 4 in our React project using Vite. Open your VS Code terminal. Now let's create a React project with npm create Vite at latest. I have already opened my VS Code inside folder named demo, so I'll put period at the end. If you want to create the project inside a specific folder, specify the folder name here instead of period. Now click enter, select React, select TypeScript. Now let's install Tailwind CSS with npm install Tailwind CSS. Also, to integrate Tailwind CSS with Vite, we should install Tailwind CSS / Vite plugin. Tailwind CSS / Vite. Press enter. Now let's configure Tailwind CSS Vite plugin that we just installed. Open viteconfig.ts, import Tailwind CSS from Tailwind CSS / Vite. Now inside plugin, invoke Tailwind CSS. Now open index.css, which is inside source directory. Delete all of the default styles. Now import Tailwind CSS here. Import Tailwind CSS. Now let's run our app with npm run dev. Open app.tsx, Ctrl Alt, delete. Let's create React functional component with array fce. Now let's add some class name, flex, justify center, item center, text will be 3 axle, text blue 500, minimum height will be screen, font semi bold. Let's see it in our app. We have successfully integrated Tailwind CSS in our React project.